Hello. Today I'll be talking about the article you see on your screen. So it says the stock market wants to embarrass the experts. This is a very interesting article. What that means is people are not trying to understand. People are just not able to understand why is the stock market rising when everything is falling down. So just to give you an idea, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500, the two main indices in US, are rising up even when the unemployment in America is rising like anything. Okay, and rest most of the countries in lockdown. So why is the stock market rising up, right? So people are just trying to understand this maddening thing that is happening all over the world, not just in the US, even in Canada, even in India. The stock market is rising, so even the experts are not able to predict why is the stock market rising. That's why the title of this article is the stock market just wants to embarrass the experts, because the experts just predict that the stock market has to fall because the situation is still not under control, the vaccine is still not in the making. But even then the stock market is rising. That just doesn't make any sense. so um, to be honest, my opinion is that the stock market is somewhat rigged. Okay, because as I said, many companies indulge in stock buybacks. Stock buyback is literally just artificially inflating the stock market or the stock price of that company so that it looks like the stock market is going high up. Okay, then there are also instances where the central bank literally buys the stock of that country to make it look as if the stock market has gone high up. So, just understand this. What does it take for a central bank to buy the stock, right? They have the ability to print the money. So, say there is a country like like Pakistan, okay? Yeah, there's a central bank in Pakistan, and now what if they want to just rise up the stock market? What the central bank does is that it just prints the money, it buys the stocks, and then the stock market just goes high up. Okay, and then that's like an artificial inflation. And to be honest, there are many laws in many countries where if the central bank buys the stock of that country, it cannot be disclosed. It cannot be told to the general public that the central bank is doing something like this. But many central banks all around the world indulge into these kind of practices because they just want their country's stock market to look higher so that the investors can come from outside, from the foreign countries, and start investing into their stock market. So that is something that every central bank does. Okay, and that's why people really want to understand that is the stock market really rigged. My honest opinion is that I think it is somewhat rigged. I mean, I have not reached the position where I can say that is 100% rigged, but I can surely say that when companies indulge in such kind of shady practices, where they buy back their own stocks, where the central bank buys the stocks of the major companies in its own country. Okay, when the foreign reserves of the country are depleting day by day, that just goes on to say that the stock market is somehow not in alignment with the economy of the country. Okay, so there is a famous saying that the stock market and the economy are two different things, but ideally the stock market should just reflect the economy. So just imagine the scenario: if the economy is going down, okay, and if the stock market is just going high up, does it make any sense, right? So I mean, if the economy is going up, only then the stock market should go up. But if the stock market does not reflect the economy, then there's no use to have a stock market then. That's just how the that's just my opinion. That's just how things should work. But if you now look at this. Okay, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Dow, is up 26% from 52-week low, while the S&P 500 is up 25% from its low on March 23rd. Why is that? Like the situation has gone worse and worse in the US since March, right? So why is the stock market up? Does it make any sense? It just does not. But that the only reason that I can come up with, that I can understand for this, is because the stock market is rigged. So just look at the next paragraph. The rebound comes despite a backdrop of weekly unemployment claims in the millions, a historic plunge in retail sales, and the biggest drop in manufacturing since 1946. Just look at these three things: weekly unemployment claims in the millions. Okay, right now there are almost more than 25 million people. That is 2.5 crore people who are unemployed in America right now, and that is just the registered people. There are many more who don't even register. Historic plunge in retail sales, all the retail shops are closed, so definitely that is going to happen. And biggest drop in manufacturing since 1946. So then why is the stock market rising? that is the that is the core question that many people are just trying to answer. And so that's why I look at the last paragraph. So many strategists are calling for a retest, that Mr. Market will try to embarrass the greatest number of strategies at any one point in time. So nobody is able to predict why is the stock market rising. Nobody is able to understand, if the economy is going down, why is the stock market going high up? And it is just embarrassing the experts and the so-called experts, the PhD degree holders, the Wall Street, technicians and technocrats, and the big wigs of Wall Street. They are not able to understand why is the stock market rising at this point. So. Yeah, this just gives you an idea of what exactly we are dealing with over here, because and this is just going to increase the inequality. Already US has a whole lot of inequality. Okay, the inequality in America is just staggering, to be honest. And this is just going to increase the inequality in America, where the gap between the haves and the have nots. Okay, this is what it is called: the gap between the haves, the people who have something, and the people who does not have anything, like the have nots, is just going to go wider and wider. Okay, that's what happens in all the economic crisis. So that's what happened in the 1929 depression. Okay, and many people are comparing this crisis to 1929 depression. And what happened after the 29 depression? Okay, look at Germany. After that, the normal people in Germany were literally struggling so much that that gave rise to Hitler. Okay, so that and people are also saying the exact same thing over here. So when you look at countries like Italy and Spain, they are going on a very very nationalistic path after this. Okay, they are going to just get out of the European Union pretty soon, because nobody came to the help of these countries. China came to the help of Italy and Spain, but not the richer European countries like France and Germany. So this is my analysis of the stock market, and why is it going up when the economy is going down. So if you agree with me or if you disagree with me, let me know in the comments, and we can have a chat. And please like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from my side. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.